Hi guys, we're back with another dip powder mani, but today I've already done my dip powder application. So I prepped my natural nails, I did sanitize my hands, and I applied two coats of the Peel Off base coat. So the color that I've used is iGel Beauty DD73 at Midnight. I activated, filed, and buffed. The liquids that I use, I did this time use Model 1's dip liquids. I believe this may be my second time using these, and after the second time, it's not that bad. They did apply very thinly and evenly, but again, to me, they are quick dry. So I have applied iGel Beauty's Chrome Base, and it says cure for 30 seconds, but you really want to cure this for 10 seconds in a UV LED lamp before you go in and apply your chrome powder. So that's what I have here, and I'm using iGel Beauty's Mirror Black Chrome Powder Pen, and I don't know if I like that look or not. I really couldn't tell a difference, and you'll see in just a few minutes here. So with the chrome powder pen, the powder is in the cap. So I'm just rubbing that in, and you'll see, and I'll point it out. I did speed this clip up. It was kind of splotchy to me, and almost looks matte black versus a chrome powder. And maybe I'm missing something, but I just did not like this black chrome powder. I think it's a waste of money. As you can see here, there's it's splotchy. It didn't apply evenly, and that could be the chrome gel application. But I did end up wiping that off with alcohol before I went in and did the final cure, and then I applied another coat of the chrome base cure for 10 seconds and reapplied, and it looks slightly better, but again, it wasn't the best. And coming up, I'm going to go ahead and freeze the clip just so you guys can kind of take a look at this application. And this is another reason why you should not do your manis in the evening. I applied gel base coat on top of the chrome powder, and it just did not, it repelled itself. I probably should have applied top coat, but I wanted to use these water decals from HD Professional, and I've seen this brand pop up on my Instagram feed, and I ordered these. I think I ordered these from Etsy, I believe. They didn't apply smoothly either, and you'll see that coming up as well. Again, I don't recommend doing your manis late at night unless you work best late at night. I usually do mine early afternoon, but this just did not turn out like I wanted it to. So I'm doing my normal method with the water decals. I'm spraying them with water. The directions do state to spray it with warm water, which mine was room temperature. So when I ordered these foils, it did come with a sample, and the instructions are on the back. So I applied my base color, I cut my decal, I dipped in warm water. So it says peel off the film from the paper. So I did that, and I had the darnest time trying to smooth it out. It was almost like if you ever dealt with saran wrap. Once you crinkle it up, or if it wraps around something, Lord help you trying to get it unwrapped and smooth, because it won't happen. And you'll see my struggles with this. I probably should have tried to use my nail stamper, but these decals did not slide easily off the paper. And again, it could be because I didn't use warm water, or maybe I just simply didn't give it enough time. So guys, you can see I am trying to smooth that decal out. It's not working with the nail sponge. I think next time I will try, because I did order some more before I even did this mani with these decals. I did order more off of Etsy. And hopefully I can get that application down packed. They're so different than the Pachi nail decals that I have used. But you know, it is what it is. So I'm just going in with acetone and a nail brush, and I'm just cleaning up that excess decal with the acetone, and it melts it right off. So the directions state to apply a base coat, strengthening gel, or builder gel to the nails. So what I did is I went in and applied Orly Bodyguard. It's not thick at all. I just wanted to apply that over the decal, and I did a small amount of buffing, and then I went in and applied my top coat. I used iGel Beauty's No Cleanse top coat and cured that for 30 seconds in my UV LED lamp. And for whatever reason, my iPad, I got a new iPad for Christmas, it just did not want to focus that darn camera. So I don't know what was going on there, but it wouldn't focus. So I applied that, and I think it turned out okay, even though when you get close to the up on the nail, you can see the wrinkling in the decal. But overall, I think this look would have been great even if you did all 5 nails. But again, that black chrome powder, I don't see the purpose of it. It just didn't wow me like I wanted it to. So guys, you always want to finish your mani with your favorite cuticle oil. And I'm trying a new cuticle oil, Grimes Ridge. The scent is apple cider. It smells just like hot apple cider. It was pretty greasy, I will say that, which most cuticle oils I've had are kind of greasy, except for Bliss Kiss. Those aren't that greasy to me, but this was very greasy, and I just have my little photo prop fur there that I use. So I'm just applying that cuticle oil, guys. Is basically the finished look. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Please like, comment, share, and or subscribe, and I will see you next week. Thank you.